with temporary accommodation, like homeless, just the boys and stuff.
Oh, it's an Aussie guy who actually recognized that I'm actually from Jamaica. This is me, guys. There we are outside. It's an island. Well, a vibe in here. Yeah. It's an island. Boy. Wagwan. Welcome back to Island Boy Africa channel. Yesterday, guys. So today I'm in Ballina and I'll be giving you guys a walkthrough video of Ballina. You know what I mean? It's quite a big town. You guys have seen me fish here before, but today is a different video. So enjoy the tour of Ballina, my peeps. Yes, man. So we're just walking the streets of Ballina, my people. It's the audio is a bit. It's very windy, so the audio might not be good. Yeah. As you can see, this is like a hotel. Richmond Motoring. And that's a club over there. Play the pokies and all of them things there. And the population of Balina is around 46,000 people. You know, so versus Casino where I live, it has like around 10 to 12,000. Yeah. So it's a Sunday, guys, so it's not as busy, you know. And the tide is actually high. I can see the ocean right over there. Yeah. Not many places are open. Windy. Feel like my heart about to blow off my head. There's people out there further down. You can see a bit of movement. River Street Thai massage right here. The palm trees. Ballina is located in the northern rivers, you know. Yes, man, it's known for its beaches as well. You know, lots of beaches here, people go swimming. This is where I come fishing a lot as well. It's definitely gonna rain though, so that's why it's so windy. Go across. Like a restaurant here. Right. Straight ahead, you guys can see the ocean over there. Yeah, here you have some people now, so you're definitely getting busy in the center. we're gonna walk this side, and then at the end we get over on the other street and show you all. Actually quite a long stretch. A club here. Gonna go across the road. Place to the right always seem busy every time we pass here. It's like the popular spot in Ballina. Always lots of people over there. So we're gonna go across there. Now drive in and park. Look at that, guys. It's so awful the wind is right now. If my hat fell off. It's no joke. The wind is powerful. Alright. Surf shop. Anybody like surfing? Restaurant. Alright, so seem like this is where the business of the street ends, so gonna make a U-turn on the other side of the road, and that's what we're gonna do, yeah? Thank you. That guy just gave me the go ahead a while ago, so I'm just making my way, guys. Alright, so this is it. We're going down and see what's here, yeah? Hopefully the audio is not too bad now. Apologies. If it's too bad, I might have to put music over some of it. But for the people that are familiar with Ballina or haven't seen Ballina in a long time, or just in general you're curious, you know, to see Australia, you know, this is it. Yeah, man. Spot here. Always busy here. Good day, mate.
Videos?
Yeah, YouTube.
Fucking low. You get paid and shit?
Yeah.
Yeah? Where are you from?
I'm actually from Jamaica.
Really?
Yeah.
And you landed in Australia?
Yeah, I live here.
You
2 years.
Really?
Yeah, I live in Casino.
Oh yeah, you got your own place?
Yep.
Fucking no, I'm
Yeah.
we're with temporary accommodation, like homeless, just the boys and stuff.
Oh, that's,
Yeah.
sorry to hear that.
No, but what, like, so you just post, like, walk around, like, do YouTube videos?
Yeah, I do vlogs. I just do walking
like,
videos.
time lapse or something?
Just vlogs mainly.
Yeah.
Yeah, walking the streets, showing people
Yeah,
that I've
yeah.
never seen Australia.
Yeah. Well,
yeah.
am I gonna be on your video?
Yeah, for sure.
Bloody hell.
What's your name?
I'm Joel.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to
man.
meet you too.
Yeah.
I hope you go well.
Yeah, you should
Yeah.
subscribe. You have a phone?
No, I don't got a phone at the moment. What's your name?
It's Island Boy Africa.
Yeah.
If only I had a pen.
Everyone's subscribed to one boy.
Yeah. Much respect.
Get him famous.
Yes, man. Give thanks, bro.
Balina, straight out of Balina.
Yes, man. Give thanks. So this is the spot, guys. Pretty popular. Always busy. You guys can see. Yeah, man. Well, that's a good interaction. Never had someone actually walk up to me. Yeah. All right. So let us continue down this strip here. And if I'm correct, guys, I believe there's a Jamaican lady that lives here in Ballina that we met before. If I'm correct, from when I just came to Australia, I believe it's Ballina. Yeah. So yeah, there's a Jamaican lady that has like a hair salon, I believe. Yeah. This is, yeah, man. Whew. What's in here? That's the beach that way. Going that way. There we go. This is Australia for your mates. You have like hotels on that side as well. Very interesting. Yeah, there's a hotel in front of us as well. Australian hotel. Rooster, beers. Terry. It's just like a pharmacy. A hair salon.
Yeah, there's like the check sometimes.
Bike shop here. It's a very nice town. If you live here, you live close to the beach. And the more closer to the beach you are, the more expensive the properties get. You know, so that's from what I've learned. Wow, when the wind cuts off, it feels so hot and muggy. Ooh, there you have the ocean again. So many shops on these stretches. Nice. Laundry mat. You guys can see it gets pretty quiet down this end. Alright, we're still treading, so I think I'm gonna make my way to the shopping center. Maybe I should cross here, eh? Yeah, I think I'm gonna cross here. make it easier for myself right about now. Dead stretch. Don't think this will interest you guys, so I'll cut the camera until I reach a bit further and the journey continue. Office furniture, sewing machine, op shop. Op shop is like where they sell second-hand clothes, yeah? Yeah, man. Dominoes, Dave Baits. This is where I come to buy my baits when I come to Ballina to fishing. So the sign there, yeah, this is where I buy my baits and hook them on sinker. Yeah, man, this is my spot. I'm gonna make our way to the shopping center, you know. Don't even want to drink any water now because I want to piss. I don't even go buy any water. You know, one time there's a gas station further up that way, and surprisingly I went to the gas station to pay for gas, and this guy is an Aussie guy who actually recognized that I'm actually from Jamaica. Like, he asks, "Are you from Jamaica?" Like, he just literally hear my accent and say, "You're from Jamaica?" And I was like, "Yeah." And I couldn't believe it, like someone actually pick up my accent in Australia and know straight away that I was Jamaican. Like, I found that really amazing, you know. Yeah, man. And him say him watch so much documentary from Jamaica, and him even asked me, like, is Jamaica laid back as what he sees on the TV? But I thought someone was calling me. Yeah, so most of Jamaica is like that, but in the countryside you find it more peaceful. That's what I told him, you know. Yeah, man. And I remember one time we were on a train, me and my wife was on a train going to Sydney, and this lady that sells on the train actually picks up that I'm from the Caribbean, but she couldn't tell exactly where from the Caribbean. She couldn't tell which Caribbean island I was from, you know, but she just know that I had a Caribbean accent, and I told her to guess. She guessed like Trinidad or something like that, and I told her I'm from Jamaica, and she was like, "Oh, I know it was something like that," you know. So only two person, one get it right and the other person know that I was from the Caribbean. So yeah, people that are into the culture, are into, you know, them know about that side of the world, they'll definitely pick up my accent. But in general, most people just think that I'm from Africa, you know. Yeah, man. It's actually not a bad day to walk because it's not too hot, it's windy. So yeah, it's a good day. If it was a Saturday, would have been more busy, but I give thanks. Get to show you guys Balina. Some neighborhoods ahead there. So if you guys enjoying these kind of videos, let me know and what I can improve on as well. Yeah. Mango tree. Mango, them done off for this, you know, cause right now it's mango season in Australia, so getting a lot of mango, but this tree look empty. Ugh. actually sweating. Once I'm not feeling the wind, my body gets so heated. But once the breeze is blowing, I feel good again. Well, I'm going to cross the road jaywalking style. Yeah. Because the shopping center is on my left. And this is me, guys. Left me outside. Yeah, man. Nice streets of Australia, you know. Busy right now. So yeah, I'll go jaywalk and cross this road right about now. So sleep hard around. Alright, and here we go. We're going for it. And we are across. Yeah, man, so we're going to the shopping center. And that's where I'll be chilling. That's where I'll be chilling for now, you know. Woo. Can't get bounced on. Cannot afford to get bounced on Australia, you know, so have to be careful on the road, yeah. Alright, so we making our way that way. Look at these guys. These are bamboo trees. You know those small bamboo? They don't get bigger than this. That's what they use to decorate their fence. East Ballina. Byron B. Lennox said. Yeah, man, and the airport is straight ahead. Super hot. Shoot. It's not even sunny. Alright, so come up to a stoplight. I still have to go across. You know, so after this stoplight there's gonna be another one, which that's where I'll be close to the shopping center. Feel me? So make we do this. Ooh, press him again so we'll make sure. Ooh. There we go. It's about bloody time. Yeah, mate. So we're gonna give you guys a tour of the shopping center and kill some time. Yeah. Homes. Oh my god, big dogs wanna attack. Not today. Wait a minute. Thought it was the second stoplight. I think it's the third one now. Right, I got it wrong. Still have some more walking to do. Ballina is quite big. Taco Bell. There's it's down that way, yeah? So there's two shopping center, one on the right and one on the left. Yeah. So we're gonna check out the one on my left right here first. And then maybe the next one. Let's see. Alright, here we go. We're in the parking lot. First I think I need to use the bathroom, I swear. After all them walking there. So can I get over through here? There. Hey guys, that's the cinema straight ahead. I've been there to watch movie before. I think we can enter from here. Wow. Ooh, it feels so much cooler in here, guys. No joke. So here we go. Washroom. Toilet down here. Wow guys, I've been sweating like crazy. Well, not that bad anyway, but yeah. Been mainly sweating in my clothes. Alright. Damn peeps. Let's go now. I'll walk out this place and then chill for a bit here. Woolworths, I should say. It's just like we made a circle around. Thinking where should I go next? Let's just walk around here. Wow, that felt very short, so I was coming from all the way up there, guys. Ooh, my heart's about to blow off. Shit. Back where I started. Let's go have a look. Even though I don't really want anything, but let's just have a look. Maybe only socks, some work socks. And here they are, work socks, 3-pack. Definitely need work socks, my peeps, so I'll grab. It's raining outside. Lots of rain. Woo. It's actually warm out here though. Alright guys, so the rain is pouring down now, so I want to thank you all for watching today's video, and I hope you all enjoy watching it. Yes man, if you guys want to see more videos like this, you know, me going to the suburbs, different town and stuff like that, let me know in the comments. Yeah, please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll definitely catch you in the next one. Alright, as you guys can see, it's raining, so yeah man, bless up everyone.